In this video,
we will learn how to make floor is lava volcano in Fortnite. In Fortnite, if you want to create a floor is a lava volcano, so all you need to do is after you come into your map, you need to head into the creative menu. From here, head to the content tab. After that, select on devices. Under devices, you need to search for pulse trigger. Then left click on it. Click on place now. Now we'll need to head to a corner of our map. After we head to a corner of our map, we'll just place this device in here. So now the device is placed. Now we'll just need to configure it. In order to configure, we'll click on customize. In here, you need to set a few settings. So loop infinitely will be off. Number of loops will be 1. Tempo will be how fast you want the lava to spread. So I'll just set 110. Length, width and height all are the amount it will rise up to. So you can set it according to your needs. I'll set it all to 100. After that, zone direction should be forward. Activation type should be send pulse. Zone visibility during game will be turned on. Pulse direction will be upwards. And the damage should be the amount of damage you want to give to the players. You can set it to whatever you prefer. After all that is done, you can just click on OK. And now if you activate the device, you'll see that the lava is rising up at a very fast rate, which you can also change from the device. So this is how you can make the floor is lava in Fortnite and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.